What if I told you that while you sleep, your mind is actively working to give you answers and solutions for your daily challenges? Does it sound like fiction? It's not. Your dreams aren't just meaningless jumbles. They are powerful messages from your subconscious, and learning to decipher them can be the key to solving seemingly unsolvable problems. Stay with me in this video, and I'll show you exactly how to use the power of your dreams. Ready to dive into the secrets of your own mind? Often, in our waking lives, we get stuck in thought patterns, approaching problems the same way every time. But our subconscious has a much broader and more creative perspective. During REM sleep, when we dream vividly, the brain processes information in a unique way, making unexpected and often revealing connections. It's like an internal supercomputer running in the background, seeking outside-the-box solutions. The big challenge is, how do we access and understand this information? The first and perhaps most crucial step is simply to pay attention to your dreams. Start treating them as something valuable, not just as things that happen during the night. But beware, remembering dreams is a problem for many people. How can we capture these ephemeral messages before they disappear? Remembering dreams requires practice and intention. A powerful technique is to keep a dream journal beside your bed. As soon as you wake up, before even getting up or getting distracted, write down everything you can remember, however fragmented it may be. Keywords, images, feelings, even colors. Another technique is to set an intention before sleeping. Tell yourself that you will remember your dreams. Repetition and discipline are essential here. Over time, your recall ability will significantly increase, but remembering is just the beginning. The real magic happens in interpretation. How do you transform crazy symbols and narratives into practical insights for real life? That's where most people stop. To use your dreams for problem solving, follow this simple process. First, define the problem you want to solve before sleeping. Ask your subconscious a clear question. When you wake up and record your dream, look for connections to the problem. Don't rely on generic dream dictionaries. The most important meaning is your personal meaning. What does that symbol, person, or situation represent to you? Pay attention to the feelings in the dream. They are powerful clues. A practical approach is this. I have a problem at work. I'm struggling with innovation. This makes me agitated. I feel blocked and frustrated. I dream of a bridge collapsing, but in the end, I manage to cross by another unexpected path. The bridge might represent the old way of thinking collapsing. The other path is the solution, the new perspective I needed. Connect the dots. How does the dream story or symbols relate to the problem you defined? What new perspective does it offer? The answer might come as a symbol, a feeling, a phrase, or even a clear solution. In summary, your dreams are an unexplored source of wisdom and creativity. Remember, pay attention to them, use a journal to record, set an intention before sleeping, and most importantly, learn to interpret the symbols and feelings in relation to the problems you want to solve. Your subconscious mind is ready to help you if you give it a chance to speak. Don't underestimate the power that exists within you, waiting to be accessed during sleep. So, did you enjoy discovering how to use your dreams? If this video opened your eyes to this possibility, go ahead and leave a like. And to not miss more incredible content like this about the mind and self-knowledge, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. I want to know, what's the most striking dream you've ever had, and what do you think it meant? Tell me in the comments below. And if you know someone who'd love to know this, share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.